Hey everyone, I get asked with some frequency if my tire tool here will work on other types of die-cast products. So I have a Greenlight blazer here because I'm in love with blazers, so I got a bunch of them. And let's just see if it does in fact work. All right, there we go. Greenlight blazer. I've got a Greenlight dually. There we go. Greenlight dually, that's the Chevy. I got another Greenlight pickup. Oh, broke that. Look at that. Broke that wheel right there. So maybe not the Greenlight pickup. Then I got another Greenlight blazer. Let's see if this wheel behaves any differently. And there, that worked as well. Okay, so does in fact work on a lot of Greenlight vehicles. Go get them.